Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, just had to do another update video because it is starting to get interesting here. It was a bit like pulling teeth, but Solana managed to get above this important resistance at $37, this swing low here. So from an Elliott wave point of view, this reduces the risk of a larger correction of wave 2 because this risk was there. It is still there, but it is reduced now by taking out this important level. So what we said in the previous video is that this here could have just been in an alternative scenario. This is a wave A, this is a B, and this is C. It reduces that risk now of while we moved above that 37 and 10 level, and we tried it here already. Yeah, we tried it here a few times. Now we've moved above it today, which is positive. Yeah. Told you if we get above that level, we can see a further advance, and this is unfolding at the moment. First breakout level was here, happened, yeah, could be retested, moved up, next level taken out, yeah, moving up, and now we're coming to a critical level here for Solana. Now we're coming to a critical level, and we're getting to this 50-day moving average and the resistance area here. I expect some resistance here around that $39 level, as I mentioned before, because this is the 50-day moving average. So a few people have asked me what are the settings for my 50-day moving average. Well, let's take a look. You can see it here. Pretty simple. Simple moving average, time frame daily, length 50, source close. Yeah. I'm not using the EMA here. And let's see if the if that simple moving average is relevant for the price. We'll see that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will be. If not, it would be extremely bullish if we just go through here. So yeah, this is starting to look interesting, especially given the fact that here across the crypto market at the moment, all cryptos seem to be quite resilient against sell-offs. So we've seen here that a lot of people sold into the rally. We've seen that here, strong retracements, yeah, strong moves down. You often see these in a very much of a beginning of a possible uptrend. If you see these strong moves down, these strong retracements, that's sellers, obviously bears, selling into the rally. And what we can see is that the folks who've been quite used to selling into any rally in the last few months and succeeding eventually, they might realize now it's not working out that well anymore as it used to. Yeah, so it's getting interesting. Yeah, I mean, we are not out of the woods yet, and I've always stated the $48.41 level as key level above which I do expect a larger rally, which still doesn't mean we won't see a lower low. There is no guarantee. Yeah, we need to imagine that we have come down from way above $200. And to really mitigate or eliminate the risk that we will see a lower low, that will take some time. But there are certain levels that need to be broken that significantly increase the probabilities that we will, at least for a certain amount of time, move up further. And one of these levels is, for me, that 48.41 level. But for now, it's starting to look promising. But we need to be careful not to get too bullish, because we want to first move above this 50-day moving average. And it would surprise me if we go through that straight away. However, we need to go through it if we are in a wave 3, because this could count as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, this as a wave 3. And if we are in a wave 3, the target for that is $58, okay? So this is currently something we're looking at here, and we're just waiting for that breakout above that level now. Important is to hold, of course, here now that 37.10 level. Key support is that 30.85 level. If we go below that, I think it could still, well, it will indicate then that this advance to the upside isn't working out, and that we will eventually see a lower low below $25. Now, what I have to say is I would pretty much like Solana not to make a lower low. This is different for some cryptos. For example, ADA, I think it would be good for the chart to make a lower low. Polkadot as well, because the chart looks quite messy. The Solana chart doesn't look too bad. I mean, I've seen more bullish, I've seen better impulsive waves, but it is still okay. And given that we've already reached the 88.7% FIB level at $30, yeah, for Solana, that's the 88.7% FIB level, a level that you don't really want to break below, at least not for a longer period, because it is bad for a coin. Therefore, it would be good if Solana could stay above it and not make a lower low. It doesn't need to make another lower low. It's fine. It could start to move up from here. However, the potential is still there, as I said, and until we get above 48, 41, the potential is still very much real, and we have to primarily expect still another lower low, unfortunately, because overall we are still in a selling area overall, yeah, in a larger selling area. Okay, so this is just a quick update here about Solana. Hopefully that was useful to give you an update here. One more point here, of course, very important to get evidence that wave 3 is unfolding. We need to get above that wave 1 here, high here at $42.50. All right, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.